Ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered here today to mourn the hair that once thrived on this scalp. It was thick, it was glorious, and now, it's gone. But fear not, I'm here to break down the science of why your hair is ghosting you and how to bring it back. Let's dive in.
Showtime.
Meet DHT, the villain we didn't invite. This sneaky little hormone shrinks your hair follicles like an unpaid intern trying to avoid work. It cuts short your hair growth cycle, making your strands wave the white flag. And guess what? Pregnancy, menopause, and stress can send DHT into overdrive. The betrayal. Stress is not just ruining your peace, it's also ruining your hair. Telogen effluvium, a fancy way of saying your hair follicles goes on strike when life gets too hectic. As such, the hair follicles remain in the inactive shedding phase for extended periods. You stress, you lose hair. You stress about losing hair, you lose even more hair. It's a vicious cycle, my friends. Your immune system is supposed to protect you, right? Wrong. In the case of alopecia areata, your body gets confused and starts attacking your own hair follicles like an army with no strategy. Result, patchy hair loss that makes you question all of your life choices. Your hair is like that needy best friend. It needs iron, biotin, zinc, and protein to thrive. Cut corners with your diet, and your hair packs up and leaves. Fast food might be tasty, but if your scalp could talk, it would say,
"Please give me nutrients, you monster."
Minoxidil wakes up lazy hair follicles by boosting blood flow. Finasteride and dutasteride block DHT from ruining your life. Basically, science is the hero we deserve. Low-level laser therapy helps stimulate hair growth using red light wavelengths. It's basically your follicles saying, "Let there be light." And who doesn't want a scientific reason to feel like a futuristic superhero? Scientists are cracking the code on using stem cells to regenerate hair follicles. The future is looking hairy, in a good way. Hold on tight, because one day you might just grow hair on demand. Stop pulling your hair too tight. Avoid chemical disasters. By that I mean using gentle shampoos and minimizing heat styling. Manage stress. Eat like a person who actually cares about their health. Increase the intake of iron, biotin, and omega-3 fatty acids. Treat your hair like royalty, and maybe, just maybe, it will stop disappearing like your ex after a "we need to talk" text. So there you have it. Your hair loss might feel personal, but science has our backs. Subscribe if you want more hair-saving, life-changing, and slightly unhinged content. And remember, your hair loves you. Treat it nicely before it ghosts you again.